Hi alle sammen, hello everyone, welcome to Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Today we will discuss how to navigate Norwegian nouns and articles, understanding when to use an, I, and et. In Norwegian, a key grammatical feature is the use of articles en, en, I, I, and et, et, to indicate the gender of nouns. Understanding the distinction between masculine, feminine, and neuter nouns and how these relate to the definite form is essential for learners of Norwegian. The masculine en, en. Masculine nouns use an. This gender includes a wide range of nouns. For example, en hund, en hund, en hund. A dog, hunden, hunden, hunden. Hunden sover, hunden sover, hunden sover. The dog is sleeping. En bil, en bil, en bil. A car. Bilen, bilen, bilen. Bilen er ny, bilen er ny, bilen er ny. The car is new. The feminine, I. Feminine nouns take the article I. Examples are I bok, I bok, I bok, a book. Boka, boka, boka. Boka er interessant, boka er interessant, boka er interessant. The book is interesting. I dør, I dør, I dør. A door. Døra, døra, døra. Døra er åpen, døra er åpen, døra er åpen. The door is open. The neuter, et. Neuter nouns are identified by et. They include et hus, et hus, et hus. A house. Huset, huset, huset. Huset er stort, huset er stort, huset er stort. The house is big. Et bord, et bord, et bord. A table. Bordet, bordet, bordet. Bordet er rundt, bordet er rundt, bordet er rundt. The table is round. Gender distinctions in definite form. The gender distinctions in Norwegian nouns significantly impact not only their indefinite articles en, I, et, but also the way they transform into their definite forms. This transformation is achieved through a suffix approach, where specific endings are attached to the noun based on its gender. Understanding these distinctions is vital for both grammatical accuracy and conveying the correct meaning in sentences. Here are more detailed breakdowns. So for masculine, it's an. For masculine nouns, which take the indefinite article an. The definite form is created by adding an at the end of the noun. For example, en stol, en stol, en stol. A chair becomes stolen, 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 the chair. This is how it works. So stol, stol, stool, chair, plus an. Then you get stolen, 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 the chair. In this case, the suffix an N not only marks the noun as a definite, but also indicates that stool is a masculine noun. Feminine nouns, I, I, I. Feminine nouns taking the indefinite article I, I, form their definite version by typically adding ah, or sometimes n, n at the end. For example, I sang, I sang, I sang. A bed becomes sänga, 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 or sängen, the bed. How it works: sang, bed, plus or n, sänga, sänga, or sängen, the bed. The choice between and n can depend on regional dialects or personal preference. However, both suffixes clearly indicate the noun's feminine gender in its definite form, since feminine nouns also can include adding n, indefinite, like you find in masculine nouns. Neuter nouns, at, at, at. Neuter nouns using at transform into the definite form by adding at, at, at. For example, et vindu becomes vinduet, the window. How it works: vindu, window, plus at, at. The pronunciation it's vinduet, vinduet, the window. So for definite neuter nouns, we don't pronounce the t. We write t, but we pronounce it e. So the pronunciation for the window is vinduet, vinduet. This suffix makes it clear that vindu is a neuter noun. Remember not to pronounce it te in et at the end of the definite neuter noun when you pronounce neuter nouns in the definite form. Importance of gender distinction in definite forms. The suffix approach not only indicates that a noun is in its definite form, but also implicitly communicates the noun's gender. This dual function is crucial in Norwegian grammar as it affects agreement with adjectives and sometimes verbs. Using the correct definite form ensures grammatical consistency and clarity in communication. For instance, if one were to mistakenly use the feminine definite form for a masculine noun, for example, stola, instead of stolen for the chair, it definitely would lead to confusion and indicate a lack of Norwegian language proficiency. If you, however, pronounce feminine nouns with a masculine n, n suffix, this is fine. Therefore, understanding and correctly applying these gender distinctions in definite forms is fundamental to learning and using Norwegian effectively. The use of I, and et in Norwegian is not just a matter of grammatical correctness, but also conveys essential information about the gender and number of nouns. The transition from indefinite to definite forms through suffixes is a unique aspect of Norwegian grammar. Familiarity with these concepts allows learners to construct sentences more accurately and understand the nuances of Norwegian. Do you want to take Norwegian classes? We are offering Norwegian classes at all levels: A1, A2, B1, B1, C1, C2. We offer classes in classroom is in Oslo or online. If you're interested, register for Norwegian classes. Just go to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no. We now have a referral program. So if you refer a friend and your friend starts learning, taking Norwegian classes, you will get 150 US dollars. And your friend will also get a discount on the refund of 100 US dollars. So this is a win-win situation for both. Um, if you're interested in a referral program, just go to our website, nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no. Elevate your Norwegian language skills from the comfort of your home by subscribing to the Norwegian Language School on YouTube. Enjoy expertly crafted lessons, interactive exercises, and a vibrant community, all designed to take you from beginner to fluent, one video at a time. Unlock the full learning experience with Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School by becoming a Patreon member today at patreon.com/NLS Norwegian Language School. Patreon.com/NLS Norwegian Language School. You will get downloadable worksheets to practice what you've learned from our YouTube videos, podcasts, and gain exclusive perks like member-only chat, transcripts, early access to new content, Discord access, etc. for an immersive and interactive Norwegian language learning journey. Thank you for tuning in to Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website, nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no.